Hi everybody, this is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to be talking about adding a location to your Shopify store. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get going. This is a product on my Shopify store. If I click Edit Locations on the product description, you can see there's 4 locations here. I want to add a new location that I'm going to use to transfer inventory to. The name of the location is actually based on the address of where we work, and it's going to be called 2020 inventory. You can see there's already 4 locations that I can stock. I can keep stock at, so I'm going to add a new one. This is how you do it. First of all, click out of the product and go to Settings, and then select Locations. And you can see here are the locations that we have active. For the particular plan that I have, there's 3 of 5 locations available, so I can add 2 more. I'm just going to add 1 more. And just click Add Location, and I'm going to call it 2020 Inventory. Now, you'll see right below it, there's an option that says Fulfill Online Orders from this location. I do not want that. This is just going to be a place where I keep inventory, not where I fulfill inventory. I have a separate location that's specifically for that. So it says stop fulfilling orders from this location. Once this page is saved, all shipping rates for this location will be deleted. Yeah, and that's correct. Okay. And the address, I can fill that in or I cannot fill that in. I don't need to do that right now. As this is not relevant to actually shipping out orders to customers, I'm going to leave that blank and I'm going to click Save. Okay. It gives me a warning message. You may be unable to buy shipping labels or set up certain delivery methods. And as I've just said, that's not important because I'm not shipping anything from this location. It's also giving me something else about tax rates in Alabama. So that's not important. Okay. So let's actually take a look at a product. Yeah, here we're back at the same product, and let's see if that location will be available. So edit locations, and you can see here's the new location that I just created. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to leanmedia.org, click on blog or video, you'll see I have all kinds of blog posts and free videos to watch about everything related to Amazon, Shopify, and other types of e-commerce platforms that can help you sell more goods. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.